Ever wonder why some ads grab your attention while others just disappear? The secret isn't luck, it's psychology. Cashvertising, written by Drew E. Whitman, reveals 7 proven lessons that turn boring ads into sales machines. Want to know the secrets? Let's dive in. This book is packed with practical tips and psychological tricks indeed, and today, I will share top 7 lessons you can use to sell like crazy. Let's get started.
Lesson number 1. Understand what people really want. First, you need to understand what people really want. People don't just buy products, they buy solutions to their problems and enhancements to their lives. Now you need to understand the needs of people. Your ads should communicate their needs or they are looking for. Whitman reveals that all human buying decisions depend on fulfilling basic desires like survival, comfort, freedom, and status. Think about it. Where your product lies if it is the best solution, status, or need of someone. Lesson number 2. Headlines make or break your ad. Did you know that 80% of people only read the headlines of your ads? If that doesn't grab their attention, the rest of your copy is wasted. The author gives us a formula. Use curiosity, urgency, or a problem-solution approach. For example, instead of saying, "Learn to cook," say, "How to cook a gourmet meal in 20 minutes without breaking a sweat." See how specific and engaging that is? Your headline should be like a hook. It makes people stop scrolling and say, "Wait, I need to know more." Lesson number 3. Use emotional triggers. Drew E. Whitman lays out over 100 triggers, but let me give you 3 that work like magic. Scarcity. People want what's rare. Think, "Oh, only 5 left in stock." Social proof. Very important. We trust what others recommend, right? Show testimonials or reviews. Authority. Expert endorsements work. As seen on big-name TV show, instantly boosts trust. Let's say you're selling a new smartwatch. Use something like, "Hurry. Only 10 left at this price." This creates urgency and makes people act fast. Show reviews from happy customers saying, "I love how this watch tracks my fitness. It's a game changer." Seeing others enjoy it builds trust. Add a line like "featured in Tech Today magazine" or "recommended by leading fitness coaches." That stamp of approval makes your product instantly more credible. By combining these triggers, you appeal to both emotions and logic, driving action effortlessly. Lesson number 4. Focus on benefits, not features. Author emphasizes that it's crucial to communicate benefits and values rather than just listing features. Prospects care about how your product solves their problems. For instance, instead of saying, "Our camera has the best resolution," say, "Capture memories that last a lifetime with stunning clarity." This shift in perspective makes your message resonate more with potential customers. Will that help? Lesson number 5. Be specific. Being specific in your messaging can significantly enhance its effectiveness. For example, instead of saying, "Our app saves you time," you can say, "Save 10 hours a week with our app by automating your daily tasks." See the difference? Specifics make your message clear, believable, and actionable. So, ditch the generalities and give your audience the exact benefits they'll get. Specificity not only builds credibility but also helps potential customers make informed decisions. Lesson number 6. Layouts matter. Whitman says the layout of your ad can make or break its success. Ever heard of the Z pattern? It's how our eyes naturally scan a page, from top left, across, down, and to the bottom right. So, your most important elements, like the headline and call to action, should be in those prime spots. And don't forget about white space. A cluttered ad confuses people. Keep it clean and let your message breathe. Lesson number 7. Test everything. And finally, Lesson 7. Test everything. Whitman emphasizes that even the best copywriters and designers don't hit a home run on the first try. A/B testing, where you run 2 versions of an ad and see which performs better, is a must. Try different headlines, images, or calls to action. The data will tell you what works, so you're not guessing. Those are the top 7 lessons from Cashvertising. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone fascinated by the psychology of persuasion, this book is a goldmine. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's one lesson you're going to try out today. And if you want me to dive deeper into any of these, let me know. Until next time, keep creating ads that not only sell but connect. See you in the next video.